I'm literally trying to figure out who the hell would actually listen to RFK about anything, especially when it comes to health.
Not the history of the world, but definitely within HHS.
Did you say
I did not say that, but I did say it's the most corrupt agency at HHS, and maybe the government.
The first thing you need to have them develop is a vaccine to clear your throat, or at least a lozenge or a Secret, at least a Ricola, or at least somebody tell you, go, somebody has no experience in his field, and yet he has the nation's health in his hands. Him, RFK, is the Gator of the Kennedys. RFK is the Fredo of the Kennedys. He's the loser Kennedy, and now he's in charge of the nation's health because he decided. Like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, he was banned from the internet or from social media because all he did was spread misinformation. And now it's his job to be in charge of the health of this country. Like he's gonna cure autism, but you can't clear your damn throat. This is the thing in America. We disdain knowledge. We disdain profession. You'll listen to somebody on the internet before you'll listen to somebody who went to school for the questions you're asking them. A real doctor is not as lauded as much as an internet doctor. A real preacher is not lauded as much as one who got on. First off, if you ain't got an office, you ain't got a practice, I don't know why the fuck somebody calling you a doctor anyway. Or a preacher. That's the thing. We listen to people because they say what we want to hear. Most doctors ain't going to tell you what you want to hear. Most things you got to do because they're good for you, not because you like them. The thing about this country right now that is amazing to me, it is the bright people versus the dumb people. It is the Flintstones versus the Jetsons. And the fucking Flintstones are winning. So far this year, there have been several states that have requested federal aid because from fires to floods to tornadoes to various other kind of inclement weather, and they've been denied. It's interesting to me that Donald Trump would send troops to California to help hurt them, than he did federal aid to Texas to help them. Right now, there are states that are requesting federal help that he won't send aid to, and that's blue and red. Those are people who supported him and people who didn't. So he will send federal aid in the form of troops to states that didn't ask for it. But he won't send federal aid in terms of FEMA to states that do. So I'm not going to help the people, and that's whether you voted for him or not. It is funnier. It's funny to me that he will waste taxpayers' dollars and resources and manpower, and national treasure to hurt states than he would to help them. That's what it is. It doesn't matter whether you're black or red. I'd rather hurt the people that I don't like than help the people that like me. That's where we are.